New tonight, the poisonous plant that is believed to have killed Socrates could be blooming in your own garden. It's known as poison hemlock.
It's blooming all across the state, and health officials are urging foragers, gardeners, and pet owners to know how to spot it. 8 News reporter Sierra Krug telling us how.
Well, poison hemlock is a part of the carrot family, but it doesn't actually look like the vegetable. It's more of a beautiful leafy flower.
When you think of poison, your mind might immediately go to a bottle-marked danger or glass vials like in Romeo and Juliet. But in some cases, it takes a less obvious form.
It has these large umbiliform white flowers that are actually quite beautiful.
This plant may look innocent enough, but it has a deep history of death and destruction.
The plant itself has been used in poisoning for quite some time. People know it as the plant that was used to poison Socrates.
History book phenomenon. But health experts like Chris Holstege with UVA Health's Blue Ridge Poison Center warn it's surprisingly prevalent in our own modern-day community.
It grows in Virginia.
Poison hemlock is a part of the carrot family, but not something you want to throw in a salad. It can be deadly when consumed, or at least leave you with some pretty miserable symptoms.
Nausea, vomiting, potentially diarrhea. I can have seizures. I can have dysrhythmias.
That's because it contains a substance called conine, which acts as nicotine. The plant can grow up to 6 feet tall and has been spotted in Virginia parks, forests, gardens, and backyards. Unlike some invasive species, you don't necessarily need to report it.
Enjoy nature. Just be really careful on foraging for plants, for misidentification and the complications that can occur from that.
This pretty poison is not exactly toxic to the touch, but keep it far from your little ones and your pets' mouths. Look, but don't eat.
Part of nature, and kind of think the joy of nature, is knowing that some of these plants that have these toxins actually exist.
If you want to learn more from medical professionals about Virginia's many poisonous plants, you can look up the Socrates Project. And if you're worried you or a pet could have consumed poison hemlock, you should contact the Poison Center. We have that information for you at WRIC.com. In Chesterfield, Sierra Krug, 8 News.